Good morning, students. Welcome back to 8th class English. The name of the story is Whose Horse Was It? Yesterday, we read the first sense group para and discussed the questions and answers given in the text. Today, we shall start from SGP 2. Yes, SGP 2 para 3. So, they went to the king's officer. They means who? The young man and the beggar. They went Galle to the king's officer. Who went to the king's officer? The young man and the beggar went to the king's officer. To whom did they go? They went to the king's officer. The young man said, ଯୁବକ ଲୋକଟି କହିଲା to him, Sir, I was riding to the town. ସେ ଯୁବକଟି କହିଲା the king's officer to the king's officer. The young man said to him, to king's officer, Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. ମୁଁ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ସହରକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲି. This man wanted to come to the town. ଏଇ ଲୋକ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସହରକୁ ଆସିବାକୁ. Who said this? The young man said to king's officer. He narrated the story. ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କଲେ. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is a lamb. Lamb means chota. So I brought him to the market on my horse. ଏଣୁକରି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାରେ ଆଣିଲି. Who said it? The young man said to whom? To the king's officer. Now he says, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ କହୁଛି that ଯେ the horse is his. ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ତାର ବୋଲି କହୁଛି. Sir, Master, please help me to get my horse from him. Please help me to get my horse from him. ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ା ତାଠାରୁ ଫେରି ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ବନ୍ଦୋବସ୍ତ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଦୟାକରି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ. Who said it? The young man narrated the story. ଗପଟା ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କଲା to the king's officer. Next, let's see what happened next. Yes. The beggar said, beggar କହିଲା, he is a thief and a liar. Sir, he is a thief and a liar. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଚୋରୁଟା, ମିଛ କହୁଛି, ମିଛୁଆ. This is my horse. ଏଟା ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ା. I am lame. ମୁଁ ଛୋଟା. I cannot walk well. ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଚାଲି ପାରେନି. So I bought this horse. ଏଣୁକରି ମୁଁ ଘୋଡ଼ା କିଣିଛି. Who said it? The lame man, the beggar said it. Whom? To whom? To the king's officer. The king's officer looked at them, looked at the young man and looked at the beggar. Who was the thief? Whose horse was it? Who was the thief and whose horse was it? He did not know. He could not understand who is saying the truth and who is lying. Comprehension questions. Who listened to their complaint? The king's officer listened to their complaint. Who listened to their complaint means ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଭିଯୋଗ କିଏ ଶୁଣିଲା ବା କିଏ ଶୁଣିଲେ? The king's officer listened to their complaint. Complaint means ଅଭିଯୋଗ. What did the beggar say? beggar କ'ଣ କହିଲା? ଭିକାରୀ. The beggar said that it was his horse and he bought it. Next one is, could the officer decide the case? Question number 3. Could the officer decide the case? Decide ମାନେ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି କରିବା. ସେମାନଙ୍କର ମକଦ୍ଦମା ମାମଲା ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି କରିପାରିଲେ, ଅଫିସର କରିପାରିଲେ କି? No, the officer could not decide their case. Question number 4. The officer could not decide their case. Why? Let's see what will happen next. କାହିଁକି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିପାରିଲେନି? ଚାଲ ଦେଖିବା. The officer could not decide their case because he could not know who the thief was. Right? Now let's see what will happen next. Yes. 5. Sir, may I ask him a question? The young man said. ଯୁବକ କହିଲେ. Who said it? The young man said. What did the young man say? The young man said, Sir, may I ask him a question? Yes. The officer said, Go on, ask, go on, pachar. The young man took off his turban. Turban means pagadi. The young man took off means bahar kala. His turban. ଏ ଯୁବକ ଲୋକ ତାର ପଗଡ଼ିଟିକୁ କାଢ଼ିଲା. This horse is yours. କହିଲା. This horse is yours. ଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ତୋର ନା? You say. ତୁ କହିଲୁ ଯେ this horse is yours. You say this horse is. ତୁ କହିଲୁ ଏ ଘୋଡ଼ାଟା ତୋର. You know your horse well. ତୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାକୁ ତୁ ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଜାଣୁ. Isn't it? Yes or no? Tell. Now tell me. କହ, ମତେ କହ. Which of its eyes? ଆର ଆଖି ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେଉଁ ଆଖିଟା ଇଜ୍ ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ? କାହିଁ ଦେଖିବା କଣା କହନ୍ତି. ତାର ଆଖି ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କୋଉ ଆଖିଟା କଣା? Tell me. You tell me. You know it very well. This is your horse and you know the horse very well. Now tell me which of its eyes is blind? The left eye or the right eye? The beggar said. At first said left eye, then said right eye. Could not say properly. The right eye. The right eye. Are you sure? ठीक ଅଛି ନା? Right eye ନା? ठीक ଅଛି ନା? Are you sure? No, it is the left eye. Again the beggar said. The first said left eye, then said right eye, then said left eye, then said right eye. The beggar continued like this. He could not tell it properly. The young man, what did I say? The young man turned to the officer. The young man turned to the officer. Who turned to the officer? The young man. And said, turned means मुँह बुलेला. And said, Sir, my horse's eyes are all right. Sir, ମୋ ଘୋଡ଼ାର ଆଖି ସବୁ ଭଲ ଅଛି. It is not blind at all. ଟୋଟାଲି ଅନ୍ଧ ନୁହଁ. ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଆଖି ଖରାପ ହେଇନି. Who said it? The young man said it. Next, Please look at its eye. दयाकर ताकि आप देखो. The officer took up the cloth. घोड़ा ऊपरो से क्लॉथ रा बाहर कला. He looked at the horse's eyes. घोड़ा रा आँखि ऊपर देखिला. The horse was not blind at all. Actually, the horse was not blind. The beggar was caught. The truth came to light. कथा धरा पड़ीगला. सत कथा पदा को आसिला. You are a thief. Who said? He said to the beggar. The king's officer said to the beggar, hey man, you are a thief. You are a liar. You are telling lies. Come with me. I shall put you prison. Prison means बंदीशाला. I shall put you in the prison. ମୁଁ ତତେ बंदी गृह रे रखिदेବି. Comprehensive questions. What did the young man do with his turban? The young man covered the horse's eyes with his turban. Yes, it is written here. Let's go and see. Yes. So the young man, here is the point. Let's see. The young man took up his turban. तार पकड़ नेला quickly. संगे संगे. He covered the horse's eyes. आँखि घोड़ी देला. With it. Then he said to the beggar. This horse is yours and you so. So here is the answer. Next, move to the next question. The first question is, what did the young man do with his turban? The young man covered the horse's eyes with his turban. What did he? He asked the beggar. He asked the beggar to tell him which of the horse's eyes was blind. Next, could the beggar answer his question or why? No, the beggar could not answer this question because it was not his horse and he did not know that the horse was not blind at all. Next, what did the young man say? The young man said that his horse's eyes were alright and it was not blind at all. Again, let's discuss the question number 3. Could the beggar answer his question? No, he could not answer the question because he was a liar and he didn't know anything about the horse. And he was not the rightful owner of the horse. Next, question number 5. What did the officer do to find the truth? What did the officer do to find the truth? Question number 5. To find the truth, the officer took up the cloth from the horse's eye. Yes. Question number 6. What happened to the beggar? The beggar was put in prison. Next, post reading. Yes. Comprehension activities. Choose the correct alternative and fill in the blank. The young man saw dash near the town gate. The young man saw dash near the town gate. A priest, no, it's not, wrong. A beggar, yes, beggar is right. Beggar is right. The beggar told not to get up the horse. Next, the young man and the beggar met the king, the minister, the gatekeeper, the king's officer. Next, the horse was deaf. The horse was not blind at all. Number D is right. A deaf was very clever. The young man was very clever. Next, let's listen. Yes, your teacher will read out the following lines from paragraph 2. Listen to him. He heard carefully and fill in the blanks with the words missing. So they went to. So they went to the king's officer. The young man said to the king's officer, Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is lame, so I brought him to the market on my horse. Now he says that the horse is his. Sir, please help me to get my horse from him. Next, given below are some words vocabulary. Number 5. Given below are some words in a box. Some words describe the young man, some words describe the beggar. Choose and write the words under the right portion. Okay, we shall do it. Lear, the beggar. Good. Young man, the words belong to young men are good, kind, wise, gentle, clever, intelligent, rich. The words belong to, related to beggar are leer, cheat, rogue, lame, ungrateful, mean, traitor, malicious, poor, greedy. So again let's discuss the words. Young men, the words related to young men are good, bhalo, kind, dayalu, wise, ज्ञानी, gentle, भद्र, and clever, chatura, intelligent, ज्ञानी, rich, धनी. And the words related to beggar are leer, michua, cheat, ठक, रोगु, बोलेगी ठक, प्रवंचक, lame, छोटा, ungrateful, कृतघ्न, mean, नीच, traitor, विश्वासघातक, malicious, से विद्वेषी मनोभाव, poor, दरिद्र, गरीब, greedy, लोभी. Now let's move to the next point. Yes, what is the next point? Just 1 minute. Writing. In the activity 5 vocabulary, you have already chosen words describing the two characters. Character charitra, duiti charitra. You will write one paragraph for each. For example, the young man was rich, he was good, kind and gentle. Similarly, we shall write rich, gentle. He was also wise, clever and intelligent. But the beggar was lame, poor, greedy. He was a liar, a cheat, a rogue, and a traitor. He was also mean, ungrateful, and malicious. Next, write answer to the following questions. Why did the young man take the beggar on his horse? The young man was kind, he was He saw that the beggar was lame, so he took the beggar on his horse. Or you can write the young man was kind and the beggar was lame, so he took the beggar on his horse. What did the beggar claim? The beggar claimed that the horse was his. Next, the beggar, whom did they go for deciding their quarrel? They went to the king's officer for deciding their quarrel. Next, just 1 minute. Yes, question number 4. Who decided the quarrel? The king's officer decided the quarrel. What happened to the thief? The thief was put in a prison. Tell BC, read another interesting story very similar to the one you have read just now. Once there was a king. His name was Vikram. He was a very wise king, very Gyani Raja. One day 2 women came. Just 1 minute. Yes, one day 2 women came to the king. 2 जन स्त्री लोग राजा पाखु आइले. Who came? 2 women. Sita and Lakshmi. The 2 women were Sita and Lakshmi. They were sisters. They had a baby with them. तांके पाखरे गोटे छुआ थिला. Please let me have the baby. Sita said. Who said? Sita said. से कहला मो पिलाडा को मते दे दियंतु दया करी. The Sita said to the king, I am his mother. Who said? Sita said, I am his mother. No, I am his mother, said Lakshmi. Again is Lakshmi said, no, I am his mother and the child is baby is mine. Please give him to me. दया कर मते दियो. King Vikram thought for a minute भाबिले. Then he said to a servant में चाकर कहले, bring me the sword means खंडा. मो खंडा आनती. Next, the man brought a sword. खंडा जानले. Whose baby is this? The king asked the woman. राजा स्त्री लोग पचाले. He is my baby, said Sita. He is my baby, said Lakshmi. ये कहला मो पिला, से कहला भी मो छुआ. Cut the baby into two. दी गड़ी कर दियो. Give 1 half to Sita and the other half to Lakshmi. अधा सीता को दे दियो, अधा लक्ष्मी दे दियो. Suddenly सेतलागा हठात किना Sita began to cry. रोटी करियो आरंभ कला. Please don't kill the baby. से पिला को मारनी. She said, give him to Lakshmi की दे दियो. But let me live. Let him live. She at least बंचू. Give the baby to Sita. The king said, she is his mother. राजा कहले सीता को दे दियो. सीता होजी तार मां. The king said to Lakshmi कहले, you are a liar. तू गोटे मिच्छेई. I shall punish you. मु तते दंड देवी. Sir, said Sita. Sita कहला, don't punish my sister. मो भौणी की दंड दियोनी. The king did not punish Lakshmi. That the woman went away happily. 2 जन जाको खुशी रे पळेले. Next, word note. Get up, opposite get on. Get up बोले ओल्लेवा, get on बोले चढ़ीबा. So climb down from a horse. ओल्लेवा, अवतरण करिबा. नहीं, the sentence is we should not get up a running bus. Next, आमे चालुथिबा गाड़ी रो ओल्लेवा उचित नुह. Take up opposite, put on. Take up means बाहर करिया, put on पिंदिबा. Remove clothes, पोशाक देहरु काढिबा. So when I come back home, I took up my shoes. मु जेतले घर को आसे मु मोर जोता बाहर करे. Turban, a covering is a cap. Turban, pagadi, a covering for head, one kind of headgear worn by Muslim or Sikh men. प्राय मुस्लिम और सिख मन माने टर्बन यूज करते. But we can say our political leaders use put on turbans. Okay. Next, is punishment. The is opposite word is reward. Punishment means danda, reward means puraskar. To make one suffer for the wrong she or he has done. Punishment means the king punished the thief. Raja चोरों को दंड देले. So that is the end of the lesson. Whose horse was it? We will discuss the other lesson in our next classes. Till then, bye. Thank you.